Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting from Settings, so open Accessibility and tap Talkback now. Press the toggle to enable. You'll see a confirmation dialog, so confirm to start it. Once Talkback is active, learn the core gestures. Single tap to select, double tap to activate, and two-finger scroll to move pages. Make sure to keep the phone in hand and practice those 3 gestures before moving on. This first step gets spoken feedback working immediately, so you can navigate the rest. Now customize how Talkback speaks and responds so it fits your pace. Open Talkback settings and adjust speech rate and pitch. Slower audio helps comprehension, while a higher pitch can cut through noise. Next, tap gestures to map actions you use most. Assign a 3-finger gesture for quick access. Also enable the Talkback menu or suspend feature to get an on-screen shortcut. Once done, test by navigating home and opening an app to confirm the changes feel natural. Complete setup by practicing in common apps. Use phone, messages, and settings to reinforce gestures. If Talkback acts strangely, like not speaking or duplicate prompts, restart the device first. Reboot often clears temporary glitches. Make sure Explore by Touch is enabled and permissions for accessibility are intact. If problems persist, temporarily disable Talkback, adjust settings, then re-enable it. Finally, consider an external keyboard or voice commands for precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.